Lawmakers are working on plans to create and expand hotlines so senior citizens can get help and advice combating financial exploitation and elder abuse during this coronavirus crisis. Cherish Lombard is joining us live remotely from her house. And Cherish, this would also help seniors find access to housing and medical care.
Yeah, you know, it's sad that anyone would ever try to take advantage of someone, especially now when so many people are scared of the unknown that comes with COVID-19. But scam artists are out there just waiting to prey on you.
As many seniors stay home to keep themselves safe and healthy, scammers are doing whatever they can to exploit them. If this legislation goes through, every senior in the country will have a resource they can rely on.
This is the worst of the worst.
Members of Congress like Pennsylvania Representatives Brian Fitzpatrick and Matt Cartwright are working to put a stop to this exploitation.
You're no good. We're on to you. We're going to stop what you're up to, and we're going to find you and prosecute you.
The new legislation would provide funds for states to set up legal advice hotlines for older Americans.
A lot of seniors that have relied on, people that they've interacted with, whether it be financial planners, attorneys, or what have you, don't have that ability because they're staying at home for their own health and safety.
Again, the hotlines would help combat financial scams as well as elder abuse and could help senior citizens gain access to housing and medical care.
People have to approach anything that sounds the least suspicious very carefully.
U.S. Attorney General William Barr says the Justice Department will show no mercy to those who target older Americans during the pandemic.
All our offices in the country on the lookout and pursuing them aggressively.
Scams will continue to sneak through, and that'll keep the Justice Department busy as well.
One scam in particular to watch out for: anything involving stimulus checks. Now, some states already have these hotlines in place, but currently there are not any coronavirus hotlines like this designed specifically for seniors in Alabama, Florida, or Mississippi. Now, if the legislation passes, the increased funding would help states expand their efforts helping more people. Cherish Lombard, WKRG News 5.